Welcome to the solution for the treasure chest puzzle. It's such a sharp looking puzzle. It's 3D printed and has just incredible detail to it. I absolutely love it. I'm just taking my initial look at it. I see that, oh, there's a moving piece. I've got lots of pieces moving on the inside. The bottom seems to move a little bit. Alright, so the instructions for this puzzle say that you find 3 triangles and then it will open. And then after it opens and you find the treasure, then you keep searching and find another hidden treasure. So it sounds like there's layers to this puzzle, which is awesome, and I absolutely love it. Let me back up just a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's take a look. Again, I found, just initially touching sort of and moving stuff, I found that this moves here, and that moves there, and that one moves. So all 3 of these move. And I'm noticing something. If I'm moving this one and this one, those 2 that way, and this one that way, my fingers, there, are kind of forming a triangle. I wonder if that's one of the triangles. Like, you have to do that. I wonder if that would be the other triangle, pushing the other direction. Triangle, triangle. If so, there's a 3rd triangle, and I don't think, maybe along these edges here. Are any of these triangles? Not really. It has a little bit of give to it, but not like a movement. And with these plastic puzzles, they usually don't have like something where you have to push hard on them, because you could break them. And so if they don't move pretty easily, then it's not part of the solution. So I'm trying to see if there's any sliding parts. If this opens up here. Not there. This one here I kind of felt had some movement before. Doesn't slide back and forth. Like a triangle could be, you know, like that. Or like that, like if this twisted, but it doesn't have any twist to it. Okay. So. Alright. Feels like there's a spring in here. So, and again, these go in opposite directions. Oh, they move together too. Huh, that's weird. Huh, I don't know what to make of that. Alright, a couple of things we always try. Let's try spinning this around and seeing if that makes a difference. The only moving parts I have so far are these 3 up here, and then the bottom a little bit. And then there's lots of moving stuff on the inside. So I was wondering, spinning it around didn't seem to do anything. I didn't think it would, but I always try the centrifugal force thing. I always look for magnets, like if there's a piece like this one here. Like maybe something's blocking it over here and it could be like a magnet piece. Doesn't seem to be the type, like it has 3 moving pieces. So that doesn't seem like a magnet to me. And the other things we do centrifugal, we do magnets, we kind of smack magnetry stuff. Like if there was a hinge that we could see, that might tell us that we use a magnet. Like these ends feel like they're securely on there. That doesn't seem like it's something that would move. This may be. Oh, okay. I was just smacking on this, and my finger hit that. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a triangle. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. So I found the first triangle. See that? right there. And this slipped over. Now, the other thing that we haven't looked for yet is gravity stuff. So that's it. Okay. So this slides when it's upside down. That's a gravity-based one. So I'm going to try and slide these ones as well as I turn this whole thing. Oh, whoops. This one is back. Okay, open that one up. So we've got that there. And then I'm going to try maybe they're going to go that way. Okay. Did one just move? There. Okay. There. That one just moved. Okay. And that one just moved. So I've got my 3 triangles. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So that's some kind of gravity-based thing inside of here. And now it's going to open up. I really don't think this treasure chest... I mean, if you look right in there, there's little pieces that it could open, but... Oh, okay. Or the bottom could fall out from under. Alright, good. So that was the bottom piece there. Alright, oh, there we go. So that's the gravity piece right there. It moves, and then looks like we've got a gear on that side. Okay, very cool. So we found the treasure, but there's more, and I'm thinking, I'm looking up inside here. Look, that looks kind of thick right there. That looks kind of thick right there. I don't want to, like, that doesn't seem like that's coming apart. Again, with these, you shouldn't have to push very hard, obviously. Like when the pieces were in place, they just like slid. So that's the mechanism for this. Doesn't, like, that's just a solid piece. Like I said, this feels like it's got something to it. Could there be... Okay, I'm going to try and hold this. Okay, there's no other moving pieces in here, though. I wonder if we put everything back. Okay. So I put all of that back. And what that did was it put these. Okay. So that was what was holding this in place with these things. Okay. But that doesn't help us open up the other side of it. There. 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 Okay, got my triangles out again. Nothing seems to be... Oh my goodness. Okay. I feel like a bit of an idiot. Nothing's moving on this. It's right in front of me. Those are 2 separate pieces. It's a dovetail. So this is just going to slide off. Oh my goodness. There we go. As soon as I looked at the video camera and I saw what was sitting right in front of me, here we go. That was amazing. That was great. Congratulations, you found the real solution. Very, very cool. Oh. Alright, definitely need to crunch that up really small. Alright. Well, that was fun. I want to kick myself for how long I spent looking at the totally wrong part of it. But that was great. Okay, let's hide that again. So, I guess let's do the reassembly. Reassembly! Cha-cha! Alright, so the reassembly, first we roll up our real solution. Put that back inside here. Okay. I think everything's still, the triangles are still showing. I've moved them back and forth. But I guess this goes here. Which way would this go? Oh, so I put it in wrong. Alright. So my reassembly, I'm going to put it in this way. There we go. Okay. So that's that. Now I have to get these two. This one was completely upside down. This one I think was there. Okay. There. And then this one completely upside down. There we go. Reassembled. Very cool. It's such a beautiful puzzle. I love it. Alright. I'll have a full solution video on my puzzle channel where I'll just go through the solution without me trying to discover the solution. So we'll go ahead and set up for that. But I hope that was fun. Have a wonderful day.